In this video tutorial, I will demonstrate the process of simplifying your Facebook profile by using a single name. To begin, you will need to install a VPN application called vpn.lat from either the Play Store or the App Store. Once installed, launch the VPN and connect to a server located in Indonesia. With the VPN active, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap on the three horizontal lines icon located at the top right corner of your home page. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, followed by Settings. Under Settings, tap on See More in Account Center. In the Account Center, select Profiles, then choose your Facebook profile. Tap on Name and edit the first name to your preferred choice. Remove the last name and press the spacebar once. Select Review Change and then Save Changes. Refresh your home page and click on your profile icon to view your updated profile. You will now have a simplified profile with only one name. I hope this tutorial has been helpful.